Good morning. I welcome you to your favorite channel, A Moment with Rukwaru. Another contributing factor to clergy burnout is the aspect of being put on a pedestal. When you put people in a pedestal, when you praise them, when you show them they are great, when you show them they are above the normal human beings, you put them into a lot of problems. And so, most of these clergymen, they are put on a pedestal by being flattered, by being told by their members of the church, you are great people. You are not like mortals. You are not like us. Your families are special. Your children are different. We look unto you. You are not people who can be subjected to sin, to temptation like us. You are very different people. Now, when you are being put on a pedestal, you are put there, you are put in another world, and dreamland, a world of utopia, and then you cannot be able to meet those standards, then you end up getting into a problem, you have burnout. And so, being put on a pedestal is going to contribute to a lot of problems because you are going to struggle to live a world of reality which in many cases you may not be able to succeed. And so when you don't succeed, it will lead to mental exhaustion, lead to physical exhaustion, to discouragement, to low self-esteem because you feel that you are not measuring the way people are telling you, you are so special, you are unique, you are so great, and you are not like us. So please, let us be very, very careful when people are flattering you and people are putting you on a pedestal and telling you you are different, you are not a human being, you are very different. Be very, very careful. Thank you very much for listening to me. It's Mutiaru Kwaru, your family therapist and a relationship coach. Have a great day.